Hey everyone, welcome back to the Studio Suite blog. If it's your first time joining us, I'm Alicia and I am joined again this week by Julio over at Studio Suite. Each week, Julio and I jump on this blog just to talk to you about the different modules within Studio Suite. And Julio always shows quick demos to give you an idea of how it can help you in your studio. So in this specific video, we have talked about the QuickBooks integration before, but we're going to talk a little bit today about how you can push your Studio Suite invoices to QuickBooks with just one push of a button. So Julio, I'll turn it over to you to show us.
Thank you, Alicia. So here is Studio Suite's home interface. And of course, we have our projects right here, events that belong to these projects, tasks and follow-ups, which are sort of reminders. Right here, we have our Invoices module. So let me show you how that works really quick. So I'm going to open up one of my sample projects right here. It's this room rental project. So just to keep it sweet and simple, right here I'm renting Studio B, a Foley room, and I'm assigning the studio manager and Frank the loader to assist throughout the day as well. So let's assume that this is ready to be invoiced. So I can go ahead and click on select all for invoice, and then from here, invoice selected items. This is going to create a final invoice for you. And here it is. So we have all of these line items that belong to that project, all the standard information right here, notes if you want to include them. And here's the magic. Here's where the magic happens. So we have our export to QuickBooks button right here. So all I have to do is click here. And then this is going to send this entire invoice along with the project name and these line items to QuickBooks. So here we go. We have a little message telling us that it was successful. So here is my QuickBooks account. So we are on sales, all sales. We're going to see that one over here. So you can see it as a sales transaction. And you can also see it as an invoice. So here is our date and the project number and the name, room rental. It's opened. It gives us a little bit of status. And if we go over here to all sales and we click on it, then we're going to see all of those line items right here. So Frank, our loader, studio manager, this is Studio A, and this one is for a Foley room, which comes with a new rate. So really nice, short and simple. Hope this was helpful. And Alicia, again, back to you.
All right, Julio. Well, that was very simple and quick. And I think those are really key words when it comes to Studio Suite. Pretty much everything within your software is just a couple clicks of a button, and it helps these studio managers be able to manage things that much faster. We know that as a studio manager, you have a lot going on and there's a lot of things that you're overseeing. So being able to send those invoices like that and have them appear perfectly in your QuickBooks is huge.
Your accountant will love you.
Absolutely. Well, as I said, thanks again, Julio, and thank you for watching. If you're interested in finding out more about Studio Suite, definitely check out the rest of the website, the rest of the blogs at studiosuite.com, where you can also sign up for a free one-on-one demo to take a deeper dive into the platform and how it can work for you. And then make sure you're giving them a call or sending an email to sales@studiosuite.com. Thanks again, Julio.
Thank you, Alicia.